Hey everybody, this is Michelle from Florida Keys Birding and Wildlife. I'm going to talk today about the blue jay. You've probably seen or heard blue jays around your yard or, in the trees or somewhere around your house. They're pretty common and their calls are pretty easy to recognize. So blue jays are crafty little birds. Not only do they store nuts for the winter and hide food, but they can also mimic hawk calls to scare off other birds from a good food source. Usually they mimic the red-shouldered hawk. Their calls are easy to identify. Blue jays can also mimic other sounds like cats, and they also do the squeaky gate call. Take a couple of moments to listen. This common, large songbird is familiar to many people. You can find them year-round in eastern and Midwest North America. Blue jays are known for being intelligent, having complex social systems, and close family bonds. They love acorns, which is credited to helping spread oak trees. If you want to attract blue jays to your yard, they prefer tray feeders, hopper feeders, on a post rather than hanging feeders. They prefer peanuts, sunflower seeds, and suet. At feeders in Florida, red-headed woodpeckers, Florida scrub jays, common grackles, and gray squirrels strongly dominate blue jays, often preventing them from obtaining food. So let's talk about food. What do they like to eat? They like to eat insects, seeds, and nuts, but have been known to even eat eggshells, white paint on the side of a house, which is due to sometimes a calcium deficiency, and they say 1% of blue jays have been found with other bird eggs in their stomach. But I think that that's probably because food was scarce. If you don't have a lot to choose from, you do what you gotta do. So it's kind of yucky, but that's the animal kingdom. Planting oak trees will make acorns available for blue jays, which they love. And they also love bird baths, so put a bird bath in your garden. Other birds love bird baths too, so not only will you attract blue jays, but you'll also attract other birds. Let's talk a little bit about migration. Their migration remains a bit of a mystery. Sometimes they stay in their present areas throughout the winter and all parts of their range. A younger blue jay may be more likely to migrate than an older blue jay, but some adults do migrate too, though. Per All About Backyard Birds, some individual jays migrate south one year, stay north the next year, and then migrate south again the next year. A lot of it remains a mystery. A little bit about their color. The pigment of the blue jay's feathers is actually brown melanin, so it's not really blue. I mean, it is, but it's not. The blue color is caused by scattering of light on the surface of the feather. The oldest known blue jay in the wild that was banded and tracked was 26 years old and 11 months. So let's talk a little bit about nesting. When it comes to nesting, both the female and the male gather material to incorporate into the nest. The eggs are a bluish, olive, and buff light brown color, and it can have spots with shades of brown, cinnamon, or rufous color. Incubation is usually 17 to 18 days, and they lay about 3 to 6 eggs per brood. That's still a lot of eggs. The female is the only one that incubates, and the male provides all the food during the nesting season for the babies and the mom. Jays molt in late summer and early fall. Take a moment to listen to some blue jay calls, so next time you're outside birding, you could recognize them. I hope you enjoyed this video with some facts and different information about the blue jay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.